Illustration 3. A stroll through a dream. I see myself and I see reality. Today I am going to stroll through a waking dream. So as our last lesson presented to us, we have the propensity to get pulled into either our internal screen, which is our inner screen, or the external screen or the outer screen. And it's in this place of your awareness center, the center screen, where the magic of reality creation really transpires. So as Hume suggests at the bottom, disconnect from the screen and turn your attention to stay in a state of awareness. So when you actively pull yourself out of your inner screen and away from the outer screen, you have acquired the ability to wake up in your world. You are aware, you are existing or strolling in that center screen place, that center state of awareness. And this is when you have the ability to take control of the script. So stay tuned for lesson 4, first entry into reality.